then they give you the point B, that is 2k, and you have the point, oh, M, that's M. You see, sometimes you easily read wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you have the point B, 6, 8. Now the question is determine K. The first question is determine K if AB is parallel to MB. Okay, now there's something that you must remember. Parallel lines, they have equal gradients. Right. So now you will say the gradient of AM is going to be equal to the gradient of MB. See?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, okay, now the gradient of MK is first the y's, né? Let's just write it there again. Gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that means that you subtract like k minus 4 2. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So then you have k minus 4 over 2 minus 2. And that must be equal to 8 minus k, because I subtract like that, and then 6 minus 2. So that means that k plus 4 over 4 is equal to 8 minus k over 4. Now you see they have same denominator, so they can fall away. See, it doesn't give you a problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now you say k plus 4 is equal to 8 minus k. So k plus k is equal to 8 minus 4. And 2k is then equal to 4. Then you divide both sides by 2. And then you see that k is equal to 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Now I come to parallel, perpendicular. When lines are perpendicular, it means their product is equal to minus 1. So it means if you multiply them, you're going to get an answer of minus 1. So now we say M1 times M2 must be equal to minus 1. So these two formulas are very important to remember. See. Now we're going to say again the gradient, the gradient of AM times the gradient of MK is equal to negative 1. Okay, we've worked out that the gradient of AM here is k plus 4 divided by 4. And then times the gradient of MK is 8 minus k over 4 is equal to negative 1. Let me just, the gradient of AM is there, it's there, so there I got it. And then the gradient of MB is there, and that's where I got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now I multiply them. So it's like brackets multiplication. Eh? So it's k times 8 is 8k. 8k. And k times minus k is plus k squared. And then you have 4 times k. 4 times 8 is 32. And 4 times minus k is minus 4k. Over 16 is equal to negative 1 over 1. Okay, so that gives me k squared minus plus 4k plus 32 minus 1 is equal to 0. No, over 16, sorry. I first have to simplify that all. So I put it over 16 is equal to negative 1 over 1. So that gives me k squared plus 4k plus 31. No. Because I just have that 4. It stays 32. Over 16 is equal to minus 1 over 1. Now to make it easy, we're going to cross multiply. That means you multiply bottom with top, top with bottom, and bottom with top. Cross multiplication. Okay. So you will get k squared plus 4k plus 32 is equal to minus 16. K squared plus 4k plus 48 is equal to 0, because 32 plus 16 is 48.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the k 12, 1 and 48, 2 and 24, 3 and 12, 8 and 6. So somewhere there must be a mistake. Let's just check in the book. Worksheet 9A. Oh, that's worksheet 9B. K is 2, that's what we get in the previous one, eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Then in the second one, they say 12 over 8, the gradient 8.4. I've used the wrong gradient. Sorry for this one. But I mean, you can still get it. Don't be cross with me, okay?
No, it's okay.
Right? Because I used, I say I've read the question wrong. You see, reading is very important.
Yes, ma'am.
Prove, or calculate K. Okay, if AB is parallel to MB, if AB is parallel to MB, I must read
Yes, ma'am.
So the gradient of AB, I've got A, which is -2, -4, and B that is 6, 8. Okay. So the gradient of AB is 8 plus 4. 8 minus -4 divided by 6 minus -2. You agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
So that gives you 8 plus 4 over 6 plus 2. So 8 and 4 is 12 over 8. Then the gradient of MB, M is the point, 2K, and B is the point, 6, 8. So the gradient of 8B gives you 8 minus K over 6 minus 2. So that is 8 minus K over 4. Okay, now we have AB is parallel to MB. So therefore the gradient of AB times the gradient of MB is equal to -1. That means 12 over 8 times 8 minus K over 4 is equal to -1. And that gives me, it's 12 times 8 minus K over 8 times 4 is 32 is equal to -1. So I take up that 32 there because of cross multiplication. 12 times 8 is 96 minus 12K is equal to -32. So minus 12K is equal to -32 minus 96. Please help me there. Minus 128.
Yes, ma'am.
So K is equal to minus 128 divided by minus 12. Okay, nou. In Afrikaans sê hulle slim na dom. Weet jy dit?
No, ma'am.
Slim na dom. And then you do the shift one. Weer slim na dom. It is minus, now it must be plus because it's two minuses. Eh? So
Yes,
it is 10 and 2/3. Did you know slim and dom?
No, ma'am, I didn't.
You want to try it?
Ma'am, can you please show me again?
Alright, can we just stop this one and we can start recording again?